All right, good afternoon, Chicago, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you're seeing this online. Jeff Kasmer here. Been making money online for almost 24 years, past 6 years as a trader. If you're seeing this on YouTube, you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. If you like my content, if you got any questions, post. If you're interested in joining our community, we have a special mentoring group that we're just starting for new folks that come on board. 4 bonuses. All right, but you got to reach me to find out what they are. Okay, so a customer that I was helping sent me a couple charts. So the topic of this video is TradingView broker spreads. All right, so this person sent me a couple trades. One from TradingView, same pair, obviously. One from TradingView and one from her broker. And her question was, okay, in this version, I won the trade. And in the broker version on TradingView, I lost the trade. Okay, so let's go to TradingView first. All right. So this is the candle that she was inquiring about. Okay, massive. I mean, just massive candle here, okay? And this is where it hit, 1.077429, okay? On her MT4, I believe it's MT4, which of course is what's really important, look where it hit. Wow. That is a difference, okay? That is a huge difference, okay? Now, when you're seeing this stuff on TradingView, and that's what I'm going to pull up right now, okay? And by the way, for anybody that's doing 1362 trades, I just pulled up this chart. There's some good ones that have happened recently. But anyway, that's a different story, okay? So let me move this over here. See, this is a broker. TradingView is tied to a broker. So when you're putting in a pair, right, EUR, USD, OANDA, FXE, Forex, etc., it's tied to a broker. But that doesn't mean it's tied to your broker, okay? And that's what the issue is. The spread is different. So when you're on TradingView and you're working up a potential trade, you have to take into account what broker you use, and that the candles are going to slightly appear differently on your Meta 4 or Meta 5, which is kind of what really counts because that's where you're going to exit the trade, okay? So always, okay, when you're about to execute a trade, you've done your analysis, whether for our team it's a 1362, smart money, whatever the case may be, that you're taking into an account that you've got to analyze here, set it all up, and then get to your metaphor to see if it aligns, and you have to adjust for spreads. I mean, that's the bottom line, right? Spreads are a name of the game. That's the broker, and spreads change all the time. The spreads are lower when there's more volume, and they move far apart when there's less volume, usually when it's like shift change at a job, at a factory, okay? When it goes from one session to the next, you have less volume, the spreads widen. So on this version, she lost the trade, right? It hit her stop loss. But on this version, she actually was in profit, okay? And she was on demo, so it's not real money. But anyway, this is a good learning pace. So always remember, the number one goal is always remember that when you're on TradingView, the candles, no matter what chart, etc., are tied to a broker through the TradingView, and you got to make sure that you make the adjustment to your particular broker. Now, people ask me, okay, why don't I just use a broker on TradingView? Okay, you can, but most people don't. Okay, you can use Forex.com, OANDA, whatever else is on there. I personally don't. I have a couple different brokers that aren't associated with TradingView. That's the way most people do it. But if you are worried that you can't make that adjustment or you have trouble understanding it, first, if you're part of our trading community, ask the question. We have it in training. But if you just want to dial in TradingView towards a broker, that's fine. Okay. But you always have to make that adjustment when you go from the charts to actually executing the trade. You've got to look. The candles aren't perfect. Sometimes they're right on and sometimes they're not. You have to make that adjustment. So she's thinking, I'm trading, I lost that trade. But if she goes into a broker, she won that trade. Okay? That's pretty much it. If you got any questions, reach me. If you're interested in potentially joining us, all the info is below. Reach me on Facebook by my name, blah, 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 blah. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you didn't. Comments, etc. And hopefully you got some value out of this, okay? Everybody, have a great day. Take care.